In terms of sustainability, how do ICFs play a role?
That's a real hot spot for me. It's what's given me my passion in the industry for the last 20 years because I'm a past environmental consultant. The number one thing that's going on in the world is reduction of CO2. And if I can reduce energy costs for a building by 50 to 60%, I'm also reducing emissions by the same amount. We have to start building stronger structures, more sustainable structures. And here's one some don't like, but it's not much of a LEED platinum structure if it's laying on the ground. We have to get thinking about much stronger ways to build, and with an insulated concrete form, we're good to go.
So where do you see the greatest applications of ICF today and kind of become part of future construction?
Well, historically the numbers have been very strong in the northern states because again it's been used for concrete forming below grade. But now as we move to more a resilient society, a stronger society, I truly believe that word resilient will be the next green wave in the United States. So now we're looking at people who are building entire mixed use applications along coastline, etc., in regards to what's happening to high wind shear. Hotel, hospitality, adult lifestyle, I've done lots of student dormitories for universities and colleges. Basically zero maintenance buildings that are very, very strong and quiet and also environmentally friendly. The genius of the insulated concrete form is in its simplicity. It's basically just two expanded polystyrene panels that are held together by a polypropylene web. In most of the manufacturers today, this web is 100% regrind. So right there, about 60% of the weight of this form is a recycled product. One of our challenges is when people want to see an ICF home, it's very difficult to distinguish one from an average home because once they're dressed up with whatever exterior siding you want, they look like an average house or commercial building. We have furring strips that allow you to attach things like hardy plank or a cement board or vinyl siding or brick ties for brick veneer, but also it's a perfect substrate